Right, now using the pre-felt that you made earlier, I've cut out the ovals for the shapes of your sheep. You'll find a template to guide you. Also, with my felting needle, I've just tidied up the edges of the tree. I always work with the foam underneath so you don't break your needle. So just going to work on this sheep here, and I'm just going to secure this in, and then I will put the legs on. So taking a tiny bit of the black, I've taken a small amount of the black fleece and rolled it and then cut 3 legs, which I will then secure in place using the felting needle. In your kit you will find curly wool. What I suggest you do is just tease it apart very gently. We don't want to lose any of these curls, and so when you found a bit that you like, just cut it and then we can secure it in with the felting needle. I've now cut some of the curly bits and put them on top of my sheep, and I'm just going to gently use the needle to secure them in place. I've made a small oval of black fleece for the head, and I'm just poking it into place. For the ears, we're going to do exactly the same as the legs with a thin piece of fleece, and we just fold over each end. Like that. Don't worry if they seem a bit long, and then twist it a little bit in the middle and place it on the sheep, and then we'll poke it into place. When I finish the ears, last of all, I like to give my sheep a fringe, so I just place a little bit of the curly fibres and place and secure with the felting needle. I've finished the other 2 sheep. The one in the middle only has 2 legs as it's facing the front, and I've also added 2 very small sheep in the horizon. I don't use the curly wool for that, and it's completely optional. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful and that you enjoy making your Artfelt Winter Sheep picture. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial and you will enjoy making your winter sheep kit. If you've enjoyed this and would like to try something else, you'll find all my kits available at www.artfelt.co.uk. I think these beach huts would be a fun thing for you to make if you'd like to try it. Bye!